Okay, Docker container. Yes. Okay, here is the Oracle 19 image. Okay, first command I am going to do is docker pull Oracle Linux. I do not have Linux at all, so I am pulling this Docker image for the Linux, Oracle Linux 7.8. Yeah, it's already in my repo. So just I need to start the Docker, run the Docker. Docker run hyphen interactive hyphen tty hyphen interactive hyphen tty hyphen privileged hyphen name of the Docker container is, let's say, tf server. Let's say host name as tf server, and then the image is Oracle Linux :7. Now I have a Docker. Okay, I'm already in the Docker because I didn't use -d. So I'm in the Docker console itself. So let's see, add user Dilli. Dilli user get added. Switch user to Dilli. Okay, I missed it. Switch user to Dilli. Okay, before that I need to install wget and unzip command. After that, I need to copy the URL. Terraform download Terraform. This is the URL for the 64-bit Linux version of Terraform. Duplicate. Or change user to Dilli. Duplicate over here. Here is a Terraform, compressed form of Terraform. Yeah, Terraform is installed. So let's make a directory bin, move Terraform to bin. Now wherever you are, you can execute Terraform. Okay guys.